Hi, welcome to Ed Foodie. We're going to do a real quick recipe today. I had some leftover macaroni, and I thought, well, let me make just a quick little batch of macaroni salad. And I didn't have any mayonnaise. I'm not a big mayonnaise eater on sandwiches and hamburgers and stuff, but I love macaroni salad. I love potato salad, so it's kind of weird. Deviled eggs. So I thought I'll just make my own mayonnaise, and so we'll do this real quick video on making homemade mayonnaise with just eggs, vegetable oil, and a little bit of salt.
And lemon
So
juice.
let's get started. My 2 eggs should be at room temperature. It's very important that they're not cold. So what I want to do here is separate it, and we're only going to use the egg yolk. We'll use those egg whites tomorrow for breakfast. To the 2 egg yolks, I'm going to put in 2 teaspoons of fresh lemon juice. And again, it is important that you do the lemon juice before you put in the olive oil. Before you put in the vegetable oil. And I'm glad I made that correction on the oil because I read that olive oil does not work well for making mayonnaise. Even though when I buy mayonnaise, I have it with olive oil, but I don't know. They say it doesn't taste as good. So I've got 1 cup. I'm using, it says 100% soybean. I've got a, what do they call these, emulsifier. Just going to whip this up really good. I think I'm going to put it in a bigger bowl. Well, so far, the hardest part's been finding the right size cup or bowl to put it in. All right, let's try it again. Now we're going to very slowly add this oil just a little bit at a time. I don't know if you can see in there, it's starting to get real thick. Okay, I think that does it. It's a little bit thick, and if you want to get it to the consistency that you like, we can add a little bit of water. We'll just give this a taste. Okay, we're going to add salt, just to taste. I'll put in a little bit here. I'm going to mix in just a little bit of water, like maybe a teaspoon there. Definitely looks like mayonnaise. What do you think? It's supposed to make about a cup. Yeah, wow, pretty good. All right, I'll just mix that in my macaroni, and here we have it. So, nice little trick. If you don't have mayonnaise, this is other ingredients here. Should be things you have around the house for sure. A little bit of homemade mayonnaise. Okay, I made up my little batch of macaroni salad. Great. Fantastic. I didn't know it was so easy to make. Also, yeah, I'm a little put off by how much oil's in there. I guess I'll get over it and Maybe that's why I don't eat mayonnaise that much. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to Ed Foodie right over there. Thank you for watching.